Waheirakpam Lairembi Development Waheirakpam Association also organized a sit-in protest today at Waheirakpam Yumjau Lairembi Community Hall. The protesters demanded the government to release the detained village volunteers. Speaking at the protest, Kokomi Women's Wing coordinator Waheirakpam expressed that the village volunteers have been safeguarding the state since the start of the conflict on May 3, 2023. She condemned the state police for arresting the volunteers. Waheirakpam further called on the government to take swift action against police personnel involved in killing of village volunteers at Thoubal district. She also warned of an agitation if the government fails to release the arrested village volunteers. The protesters held placards mentioning various demands.
Ngasi kuningak pa angang leram dagadi state police tumna sigani sahi ani para aba metang ahum dagi thokko thokta state police amatana commando matana yekna bang kuki terrorist putta gi balebra karigino leibak ki damakta naujari ba lairna sutami ba isado leibak ngakani sapata gari manungda paraga kapaga hatpa commando ngasi Manipur miyam na para tambirak tineda desh misito state government Thoubal SB DGB Kutagta miyam da putukadabani aduga kuningak pa angang akoy tarik tabada hayeng di manungda pota putu kari gumba senabaya sakamam te yahondana hayeng kadokadabani sen pa mga kukigi pasasaraga matay kuningak pa kaya phagi dorino hat kadoy no noy bu namneng da thamaga kuningak pa isa ng kanbire sahi ani se noy yang nama kukida putabro hayeng angang talo Pida bataragadi commando singsu parat tambida na makoy masenda yang nabana kalak ihaw na ngok kidu sarupudi ima ibien singsa commando mo kapagaloy na halangge kuki yang nabana hat padanatana pende ngasi commando na kult masel tikkarba angang hat pa kuningak pa isabo mo taruk pasalaga awa pamda tambase pende mamasing na
migi third lagi kukina khangokduna chusampuda maiteda landarakpada state force na kanmangamdrabaneba kanbangamdabaduda khoi isa khunga patsingjina mating panghendana maitai macha singje kalaksibaneba madugi hairubadi maitai macha angang khunga patsingge Manipur government na mokhoibu mana pigadamni aruga makhoida akiya khangje pidana phagan punbase songdok tawroi jamneba aji Manipur government na akhoi isa sing hagiba angang taru hador kadabani akoy siriba angang che masisu akoy na yamna thamoi sina nungai to phongdok jai mara leje da angang leba badanam to biganu maram asina Manipur government da akoy ima singna hajin ni se kunngak to phabu wakal je thadok piu makhoi bu kan biu
Kwakaithil Apunba Waheirakpam Loop and Anti-Narcotics Drugs Organization Kangleipak Andok staged protest today at Kwakaithil Leimakhujam Community Hall, demanding suspension of involved Manipur police commandos in the killing of a village volunteer and unconditional release of 6 arrested village volunteers. The protesters also held various placards condemning the arrest of village volunteers and calling for suspension of involved commandos. Speaking to media, Asharani Moirangthem, a protester, alleged that the central and state government remain silent despite many innocent lives having been killed by Kuki terrorists. Village volunteers are established to safeguard the villagers from the attacks carried out by Kuki terrorists and condemned the arrest of the village volunteers.
Isasing mayam se matang sum phazalagadi aikoina hujik oidadoriba fibam je karino mama oibisina khangna tumina leithokpasu ngamoi isasing matang sum phajalak taragadi isasing phabal moina sum lepak taba taragadi mama oibi mayamna su isasing gi damakta phangse selaga lan thengaragadi matung tarakpada khunga pa isasing amata phaba yaroi hatpa yaroi.
Meanwhile, residents of Sagban staged protest today along Sagban Tera Road, demanding an end to arrest the killing of the village volunteers. The killers of the village volunteers. Clubs and Waheirakpam from Sagban Khamnam also joined the protest. Speaking to media, protester Konthaujam Prabha condemned various statements made by Home Minister Amit Shah regarding the ongoing crisis in Manipur. She questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiative, citing Jiribam incident in which 3 women and 3 children, including an 8-month-old infant, were brutally killed. She also warned of a stern agitation if the arrest and killing of village volunteers did not stop immediately. Mairapaibis from various areas, including the YDO Club SWA, Kangleipak Sagolban Lukram Leirak Machin, Sadokpam Leikai Mairapaibi, Sayang Kontaujam Leikai, Yambim and Thingbaijam Leirak Mairapaibi, Lukram Leirak Apunba Mairapaibi, and Tera Bazar Ideal Club participated in the protest.
Longpamda akhoi isa singsina khungak tana leiba isa singsibu karisuna taba maralama pichalaga khungai baisa singsida makoina maralam pichalaga hato piba taru amana phagi base ima singna yabangam loi haiba wai se masigi damakta ne akoina sedin pote thamjari se aduga khungak tana leiba isa singsisu amata su phabe yaroi masi hek pharakpa matamda manipur gi parja gi oiriba ima singsige akanba khola ama lakane haiba se manipur sarkar na su khangbiyo amadi bharat sarkar na su khangbiyo haiduna ima sing mai kedigi thamjari adugi mathakta Hojik Punakwating, Poina Pagalakan Hana Tori Besichu, Imagine Sina, Yabangam Loy, Hari Baising the Sukan, Salamata Yaguna Tadoga when I have a say, Imagine Sigi, Achepa, Hazabani, Machitaki Hena, Punakwatinja, Miwat Mine Paba Tobotokal Abadi, Manipura lady, Imagine Sina, or Sidagi Hena Sambakan, Bakung, Jangela can I have a say, Imagine Siga Hazabani.